is Jian. And now I will begin my speech. Imagine a world without the gentle giant in panda munching on a bamboo and a sea turtle gliding through the coral reefs. This isn't just a loss of beauty. This is a critical warning of the future. Saving endangered animals are crucial for several reasons. Firstly, every species plays an important role in the ecosystem. So even a loss of even one can make a disruption in the food chain, leading to the collapse of the entire ecosystem. Endangered animals gives us a lot of services. For example, bees are key pollinators, crucial for many crops. Without them, our farm systems will collapse, leading to food shortage, which species adapt. Endangered animals are also sources of new medicines and scientific knowledge. For example, compounds from rainforest plants has been transformed into life-saving drugs. Also, we have a responsibility to save and protect these animals we live together, especially when they're due to human activities. Lastly, endangered animals give us culture heritage and nature beauty, and inspiring us awe and wonder. In conclusion, protecting endangered animals aren't just for saving individual species. It's also for making sure of human survival and the health of the ecosystems and the nature's beauty. So let's act now to protect these treasures before it's too late. Thank you.